Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Shein Puppy Keep abnormal activity has been detected. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To fix the Shein Puppy Keep abnormal activity has been detected error, there are two main methods you can try. First, go into your phone's settings and search for iPhone storage using the search bar. Once inside iPhone storage, sort your applications by name to quickly locate the Shein app. If necessary, tap Show All to expand the full list. When you find Shein, tap on it and then choose Offload App. This will remove the app while preserving its data. After that, tap Reinstall App. This process won't log you out of your account. It simply verifies the app's files and can help resolve any minor internal issues. If you've reinstalled the app and are still seeing the abnormal activity error, don't worry too much. Some users have reported receiving this error message yet still getting their Puppy Keep rewards. In other words, even if the warning appears, your account may still be functioning normally and collecting rewards in the background. So, try continuing to play the game and monitor whether the rewards are being credited. This error may sometimes result from temporary server-side behavior or minor app anomalies that don't necessarily affect your progress. If the issue doesn't resolve on its own over time, consider contacting Shein's customer support directly for clarification. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Shein Puppy Keep abnormal activity has been detected. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.